Today we are going to start with the past tense. Past tense refers to actions that took place before the present. It also refers to states that existed in the past. For example, I made a sandwich. People were trying to run away. The patient was very depressed. So, past tense is referring to a verb tense that expresses action or states in the past. It is a verb form that shows that action has already taken place. As we have discussed the 4 types of present tense, we are having another 4 types of the past tense. First one is the simple past. The simple past tense describes actions and states that began and ended at a specific time in the past. And these simple past tense form a verb by adding ed to the base form of the verb. However, the irregular verbs have special past tense forms which are not made according to any rules. For example, when we add ed to want, it becomes wanted, but read, R-E-A-D, read, the past tense is read, R-E-A-D, and see, saw, these are the irregular verbs. This picture shows the example of simple past tense. She read the book last Sunday. Action started and completed in past. Past, now, future. Timeline, action started in the past and action has finished in the past. Next is how do we make negatives and tenses and quotients in the simple past. When the verb is was or were in the simple past, the negative is formed by adding not. For example, Sahil was not happy with the prize he got, was used for singular. Sandeep and Ajita were not friends, were is used for plural. We make negative of other verbs by using the auxiliary did with not. For example, I didn't buy anything yesterday. And he did not sing any song. And the quotient form of a sentence in the simple past tense with the verb was or were is formed by putting the verb before the subject. For example, if I say he was an artist, so the question will be was he an artist? Verb is brought before the subject. They were all soldiers. Now verb will come before subject. Were they all soldiers? Next is the use of simple past tense. The simple past is used to refer to the completed events in the past. For example, the train left at 8:40 p.m. The event that has already happened in the past. India became a republic in 1950. Then, simple past is used to talk about habitual actions in the past. We stayed in a cottage when we visited England last year. Next, we'll study about the past continuous tense. The past continuous tense is used to talk about something that was going on at a definite time in the past. It is formed using was, were with ing form of the main verb. You can see this chart. I was, you were, we were, they were, she was, he was, it was. Main form of the verb play plus ing is used. Next is how do we form negatives and tenses and quotients in the past continuous. The negative of a past continuous construction is formed by adding not to was or were, like I was not playing, I wasn't playing, a contraction. You were not playing, we were not playing, we weren't playing, they were not playing. She was not playing, he was not playing, it was not playing. And for the interrogative part for quotients, we make quotients in the past continuous by putting was or were before the subject. Was I playing? Were you playing? Were we playing? Were they playing? Was he playing? Was she playing? Was it playing? And where do we use the past continuous? We use the past continuous tense to describe a past action over a period of time. I started doing, I was doing, and I finished doing. Now I'm saying this, but the thing that I started doing in the past, it has been already completed. What were they doing yesterday at 8 o'clock? They were working all day. Next is the example when past simple and past continuous are used together. When something happened in the middle of something else. The policeman broke his ankle while he was running after the dog. An example is given in your book also. When Sushma entered the room, Jitu was sleeping. Now, here are two examples that show that the past simple and past continuous do not mean exactly the same. For example, when Mary arrived, we were having dinner. It means that we had already started dinner before Mary arrived. Next is when Mary arrived, we had dinner. This means that Mary arrived first and then we had dinner. Next is the past perfect tense. The past perfect tense expresses action in the past before another action in the past. Example, the train left at 9 am. We arrived at 9:15 am. When we arrived, the train had left. It is like past in the past. What is their structure? Using of had plus past participle of the main verb. Example, the Titanic had received many warnings before it hit the iceberg. Had and past participle form of the verb received. Where do we use the past perfect tense? An action that happened before another action in the past. Another example is he had worked very hard before he finally won. Had worked, first past tense, won, won, second past tense. Next is for an action that happened before a specific time in the past. They had already scored before the 9 o'clock.